Van life is all about freedom. Go anywhere, park anywhere, wake up with a new view every day. But when you add a dog to the mix, it gets a little more complicated and a lot more fun. This is Mac. She goes everywhere with us, camping, hiking, to the beach, and cross-country road trips. Basically, if we go, she goes. But traveling with a dog isn't just about bringing them along. It's about keeping them safe, comfortable, and ideally, not destroying your van. So here are the things we've learned about van life with our dog. For the most part, Mac lives a pretty great life on the road. She spends a lot of time in the van, especially here in the Pacific Northwest. And honestly, that works out in our favor. With a year-round cool climate, we can safely keep her in the van more often than you could in warmer areas. But even here, temperature is always something we pay attention to. Let's start with the big one, safety. If you take nothing else from this video, it's this. Warm, sunny days are not safe for pets in a parked vehicle. In warmer regions, we do not leave Mac in the van. No exceptions. Even on a mild day, temperatures inside a vehicle can climb fast. So if we're somewhere hot, we plan our day around her. That means taking her with us, finding shade, or skipping activities altogether. Is it inconvenient sometimes? Yeah, but it's part of the deal. In cooler weather, we always take steps to keep her comfortable. We open the side windows, turn the roof fan to high, put up insulated window covers, and park in the shade whenever possible. These steps make a huge difference, and the temperature inside the van rarely exceeds the outdoor temperature, and we never let it rise above 75 degrees. We also have no problem leaving the van running with the air conditioner on. If you have seen some of my recent videos, you may know that our van has full-time Wi-Fi. We have a camera system monitoring the inside, so we can check on Mac if we need to leave her alone for a bit. We can also monitor the indoor and outdoor temperatures remotely. Food, water, and pet gear are pretty simple, but it's also easy to forget something every now and then. Mac has a consistent feeding schedule, even when we're on the road. We keep her food sealed and organized, and always carry more water than we think we'll need, especially on hikes. Her food and water bowls are velcroed to the floor to prevent them from sliding around. We also keep a full supply of pet gear so that we always have things like an extra collar and leash, rain gear, basic first aid supplies, waste bags, and her paperwork in case we cross the border. A tired dog is a good dog, and in a small space like a van, that matters a lot. We make sure Mac gets plenty of exercise every day. Hiking is her favorite. Running on the beach is a close second. We've even taken her along on bike rides, which she thinks is the greatest thing ever invented. She is always well behaved out on the trails and even in town, although she does seem to prefer quiet evenings with us back at camp. Van life with a dog isn't always perfect. There's dirt, there's sand, there's hair everywhere. And somehow, no matter how small your dog is, they take up the entire bed. Mac has also mastered the art of stealing our seats the second we get up. and we have had to give her an unscheduled bath after she decides to play in the mud. So yeah, it's not always glamorous, but it's worth it. One thing that really helps is routine. Even though we're always in new places, we try to keep certain things consistent. Same feeding times, same sleeping spot, same walking schedule, same general rhythm to the day. Dogs thrive on that. And having a familiar space in the van helps them settle in faster, no matter where you are. We always create a space for her and provide her with all the comforts of home. She loves her bed and blankets, but for some reason she hasn't learned how to play with toys. You never know when you adopt a shelter pet. At the end of the day, van life with a dog just takes a little more planning, a little more awareness, and a little more flexibility. But you get something pretty great in return. A travel companion who's always excited to be there, no matter where there is. And for Mac, I think it's safe to say she's a fan. If you're traveling with a dog or thinking about it, hopefully this gave you a few helpful tips. And if you want to see more of Mac on the road, stay tuned. There's definitely more to come. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about van conversions, check out my videos on electrical systems, including installing solar-powered DC to DC chargers, shore power, and choosing the right wire size. If you would like to know how much we spent on our van, check out my video on how much our 2023 Ram ProMaster cost to build. Also, check out the links in the description below for more information on any of the products mentioned in this video. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.